Hi, my name's Alanna Baird. I'm an artist that lives and works in St. Andrews, New Brunswick, and I'm here at the McCain Gallery showing some of my work. This is a piece that I've done in bronze. It's based on ceramic pieces from my past as a potter. I've cast the pot in wax, made it in bronze, and then pierced it to mimic the pentaradial symmetry of a sea urchin. That pentaradial is symmetry around the circle like a clock, segments of 5 repeated in a pattern form, and then seeing how the light and the air move through it, the shadows it casts. I've been having a lot of fun playing with it in bronze, and then I started playing with it in plastic, like what you're seeing on the wall behind me. In the piece that's creating the big shadow on the wall behind me, I've been working with a handheld 3D printing pen, working in plastic, using the same pentaradial symmetry, repeat patterns. In this instance, I'm using a series of holes to create the patterns. If you look closely, you'll see one set of patterns, kind of like an orange slice, that's bigger holes, and the other side has smaller holes. A pairing of those two pieces is 1/5 of the entire sphere. And as it rotates, it changes. If you look closely, you can see some structural ribs. These pieces, I was exploring how much of the surface I could remove and still have a structure. I've been exploring mostly the ceramic forms. I tried to do a larger scale ceramic form, so I wanted to go from a pot this size to something much bigger, and I didn't have any of my work that was that size. So I created a styrofoam mold to make a larger form. When I ended up building it, it no longer looked like a sea urchin form. It looked more like a hot air balloon, which is where this series has come from. I have 2 flying machines in this show. One that's like a conventional hot air balloon, which needed a basket, so I built a boat. And then I carried the pentaradial symmetry this way around the length of a zeppelin. If you look at it end on, you'll see the 5 fins on the tail, the repeat patterns of larger holes and smaller holes, and then the boat as a basket for the people who are flying in the flying machine. This is purely fantasy work that's come out of other work.